GMAT Focus Edition Quants. Lesson case testing. So what exactly does case testing refer to? Let's see. Case testing refers to solving a problem by taking all the possible cases in the simplest possible way. Okay, what does this mean? Let's see. Let us learn this concept by directly looking into a problem. Okay. So here's a practice problem. Please pause the video and have a look at it. Practice problem. If a and b are integers and a square plus b square is odd, what can we determine for a and b? Okay, so first we can do is we can take a and b as some integers, maybe odd or even, and try making cases out of it and try to solve it. Let's see how this can be done. So first case will be when both a and b are even. Let's say if a and b are 2. So when we are taking cases, we have to take the simplest of case. So in the case of odd, we'll take integers like 1, and for even, we'll take integer as 2. So in case 1, both a and b are even, where we put a and b both as 2. So 2 square plus 2 square, which is 4 plus. So 4 plus 4, which is 8, and that isn't odd, that is even. So a and b both cannot be even. Now let's come to case 2. Case 2, where both a and b are odd. In this case, let's take a and b both as 1. So a square plus b square, which is 1 plus 1, that comes out to be 2, which is again not the case because it isn't odd. Now let's look at case 3. Okay, so case 3 is where a is odd and b is even. So here we take a as 1 and b as 2. So a square is 1 and b square, that is 2 square, comes out to be 4. So 1 plus 4 comes out to be 5. Okay, so this comes out to be 5, which is odd. Hence this case satisfies. Now coming to the last case where a is even and b is odd. Let's take a 2 and b to be 1 here. So a square comes out to be 4 and b square comes out to be 1 itself, and which sums up to be 5, which is again odd. Hence we can determine that if a is odd, then b should be even, or if b is odd, then a should be even. So how will we write this? Hence we can determine that about a and b, that either one of the number is odd and the other one is even. This way of approaching a solution is known as case testing, where we look at all the possible cases, that too in the simplest way possible, such as 1 and 2 for odd and even numbers. This can be done in the situations where we can put 2, 3 as prime numbers, or maybe -1, -2 as negative integers, and so on, to simply understand the question. Keep practicing. Thank you.